What do I always say, Chubbs? Pain is temporary, but content is forever. Let's fucking do this. IRL Beefy trying it out. Hey, I got a pickup.
Alright, what's the name on that?
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, any bolts or napkins for you?
Nah, it's all good.
Right.
Thank you, man. Alright, got a shit. See it? Never even heard of dry buffalo. Look at that. That doesn't look bad at all. I'm gonna go wash my hands, and then we're gonna mukbang this thing out. 2 pounds of dry buffalo. 2 pounds of bee sting. That looks awesome. What was I telling y'all about that Ken's? Chunky blue cheese. This the one right here. This is the official. This is the one that you taste when you're in the restaurant. This is the one. Okay, if you're looking for that blue cheese that you had in the restaurant, you can't find it. This is the one. This is the one. In case the dry buffalo is not hidden like that, we got the Frank's Red Hot. Except it's the extra hot. That's right. That's right. Show you these bee sting wings. Bee sting wings. Pretty sauced up pretty nicely.
You are a saucy boy.
That's the honey. I know. Just so you know it's not a fluke. That's another one. Let me pull out a flat. Yeah, these fuckers are nice. Here's the dry buffalo. You know? I'm very interested. Flats? Yeah, I'm 100% flat guy. I love the flats. If I could order flats, I would. Just flats, straight flats. Not bad. This bee sting is pretty sweet. I'm waiting for the kick. That's one wing down. I can't lie, I'm actually really hungry. So good. Now this one could use a little bit more heat. The bee sting is a little too sweet. It's not too sweet. It's good on its own, but I think today I was looking for like a spice. So I probably shouldn't have went with the bee sting, seeing that it implies honey. I should have went like atomic jerk. But then you would have seen me struggle. This would have been a struggle. 100%. Try these dry buffaloes. That's weird. Tastes just like the regular buffalo, except it's like missing like the vinegar part. It's pretty good though. What's that, 3? With the extra hot Franks on this bee sting, that's what I was looking for right there. Sheesh. If it was the real mukbang, like I'm gonna set it up next time. I have the camera sitting there looking at the food. Oh, looking at the food as I eat it. A good angle. You know? But it'll come a time. Eating all these wings. About 40 of them. Yeah, not too sweet. It's just, you know how you have a certain taste for things, and things are colored a certain color, and you think, oh, that's red. That's going to be hot. Perfect. It just wasn't hot like I was thinking it was going to be. Too much B, not enough sting. With the extra hot, it brought it right back up to where it needed to be. Still very delicious. Very delicious. Five. I think on one of these heavily dusted ones. Dry buffalo is it's a peculiar taste. It's not bad at all. I want you to think that. Just not used to a dry hot sauce. I think I'm gonna add some Franks to that one too. Not quite bringing the spice like I wanted to. Still very flavorful, very delicious. But I want some heat right now. To 6 or 7. One of the two. This blue cheese is the best blue cheese that you're going to find. It's got the chunks in it. The chunks. I love that in my blue cheese. It's chunks of blue cheese. Look at that chunk of blue cheese. Not cabbage. Let's actually do an official count. 8. So we're sitting at about 8 right now. Still comfortable. Still hungry. Not looking at it at stopping anytime soon. But definitely not at 5 or 6 like I thought I was. I can't wait to try the whole menu. Like, all the flavors. Right now for Wing Hut, this dry buffalo, I'm gonna give it a 7. It's good on its own. Did I doctor it up? I did. It's only because I was looking for a different flavor profile than the one that was advertised. Looking for more of a heat than a sweet. Alright, officially at 10. Do not spill the wings. I don't want to do that. Number 11. That extra hot Frank's, boy. It's not a joke. About 11 or 12. Let's move back to the Bee sting. That's pretty good. Bee sting, I'm gonna give it 8. Just a little bit more heat to it, and it's super good. Not gonna lie. It's 13. Those are some saucy boys. Woo! I'm tearing up. This Frank's extra hot is not a bitch. $14. It's a good thing it's delicious because it is hot at this point. Looks like I got what I want. The heat. That's usually what I do when I go for Wing Wednesday. Eat the hot one first. Give me the hottest sauce you guys got right now. Or let it set the tone for the rest of the time. Start 14, 15. Delicious. It's 15. Now I can say with confidence, this is when the average person taps out right here. You know? Oh, you know, I've had 15 wings, you know. I don't think I can keep on going. No, sir. We haven't even scratched the surface, sir. Trying to stay neat too. And if we don't leave the shit on the bones and then try to count the bone. Try to count the wing. No, clean it and count it. Clean it and count it. 16. Get some of this bee sting over here. Delicious. No other way to put that. $17. Definitely, the heat is coming up. The Franks will creep on you. It's not named extra hot for no reason. $18. Chocolate. Bro, where is pizza? I wish I had some pizza, brother. It's 1920. So good. So good. It hurts, but it's delicious. It doesn't hurt like, oh, I'm full. It hurts like, oh, it's hot. Which is what I was looking for. $20. Easy 20. That's an easy 20. Have you ever had pizza puff? Where we pretty much take all the ingredients of a pizza, stuff them in a puff pastry, and then fry that said puff pastry. It's delicious. It is. Find yourself some pizza puffs or find yourself a pizza puff recipe. They're pretty easy to make at home. I made some myself as well. I may need some more water. But if you love pizza and you haven't tried a pizza puff yet, you're missing out. Chalk. All right, we're sitting at about 20 wings. I don't think I got enough water, bro. I'm gonna go get some more water. This amount ain't gonna get me where I need to be. Put the whole thing in, pull it out. Check the DM when I'm done. Big copy. I got you, Chuck. $21. Maybe we do a pizza challenge next time, chocolate. I'll eat an entire pizza on stream. It's a lot of bread and a lot of carbs, but that sounds like a challenge right there. I'm up for the challenge. Take that wing out. Professional skills here. You like flats, Chubbs? That's my flat technique. $22. Clean and count them. All right, let's get back into it. Other people would throw this in there and count this. No, you have to clean and count. Clean and count. That's cheating. And wasting food. So it's a double no. The heat is fucking with me. It's making me drink water. And the water is taking up prime real estate that food could be inhabiting.
It's free real estate.
So I gotta be smart about this. $23. $24. And this is going to be the last of the dry buffalo. Last of the 2 pounds. That we added Frank's extra hot to. RIP. 2 pounds, and that's what, 25? 2 pounds of dry buffalo out of there. Woo! Frank's hot ain't no joke. But we're at 25. Finish the rest of the bee stings. Ooh, look at this one here. What's going on with that? That's a bone. so good. $26. Let's get on some fast shit real quick. I can feel the heat beating me up. 27. $28. $29. $30. Woo! All right, 30 is the point where it can make you or break you at this point. As someone who frequently reaches the 50 wing mark all the time, constantly. I constantly reach the 50 wing mark. This is the threshold right here. Don't die? No, I'm not gonna die. Just a little hot. This is the threshold here. This is where champions are made. You know, once you get past 30 wings, you're like, okay, you know, I'm satiated. You know, that was a good meal. Now, if we continue to eat, this is no longer fun. This is competition at this point. That was what, 31? $32. Woo! Adding that Frank's, boy. Woo! It was a good idea. I don't regret it. But sheesh. Starting to get a little perspiration. That's how you know it's hot. Oh, 34. 34. Oh, it's hot. Wow. 35. Jeez. So hot. 36. They're gonna heat again. Right on my ass. That's 35. There's 5 left in here. So they gave me 40 wings. 4 pounds, $34. Not a bad deal. But what do I always say, Chubbs? Pain is temporary, but content is forever. Let's fucking do this. Go hard to go home. 36. Woo! Oh, I'm about to die. Oh, I'm about to die. I'm not a bitch, though. 36. Well, I just made space for 2 more wings. The DM I sent you was about that. Around here, you pay $8 for only 8 wings. God damn. A lot of competition up here. Hey, you know the beefy boys love a bargain. So I shop around for the best price. You find a good place with some good sauces and some good food, you just got to keep coming back and supporting that business. This is during a pandemic price. $37. Well, that heat. The heat is what's messing me up. Because it's what I feel at the bottom of my stomach. Not even the, oh, I'm full feeling, because I'm not full. I can still keep eating, it's just the hot sauce is fucking me up. 2 more wings left, y'all. We got 48. No, I'm sorry, 38. $39. Last wing. Last wing, y'all. 4D. 4 pounds of wings. Out of there. Come on, napkins, bro. £4. 4 pounds out of there. And nothing in there but bones. Whew, we did it. I still got room for more wings, but the hot sauce is fucking me up. Whew. 40 wing mukbang beefy. Perspiring.